Hey, it's Bryan with the Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a sticky or a fixed header. Good reasons for this might be that you have your pages are really long, and one way to go about that would be to have a back to top button. But the other way would be to have a sticky or a fixed header so that when you scroll, the header is always visible at the top of the page. You don't have to scroll forever back up to the top of the page to get to the other, main navigation links that you'd like to use. Squarespace makes this really simple, so let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm going to go into the full screen preview here to show you what I'm talking about if you're unfamiliar. So our header up here, as we scroll the page, it will, it stays where it's at, and as you scroll up, it's going to disappear. And so if you have a page like this one that's somewhat long, like I have set up for this demo purposes, it's going to take a little while to scroll back to the top. And so what we can do to keep that header always available is to go into edit, and then we're going to click edit site header, and then we're going to go to edit design, and we are going to scroll down here. You'll see here you have fixed position, and so now it's going to be in a fixed header style. Now right now it has selected scroll back. You're probably going to want basic. If you want it, you're not probably going to want basic. You're going to want basic if you want it to be available the whole time. I'll show you scroll back in just a second, but let's save this and look at it. Okay, so we're going to go into full screen preview again, and then you'll see as we scroll, the header stays there at the top of the page. And then therefore, like if you're, all the way down here and you're like, I want to go check out, I want to contact them. And so you can click on contact, and it's there. And even on this page, whatever page you're on, the header's gonna stay sticky. Okay, so let's go back and switch it over to scroll back, and we'll show you what that is. So again, we're gonna go into edit site header, edit the design, and then on the fixed header style, we're gonna switch it to scroll back and save, exit, go back into the full screen preview. Let's go back to the home page. And you'll see it disappears. You get a little ways on down the page, and you decided, oh, I wanted something that was in the header. You start to scroll back, and it comes back here. A little bit easier to see if we were over the top of a blue section there. So you see it comes back, and then you can access the header. You start to scroll down again, though, it's going to go away. Scroll up, it comes back. So that's all there is to it. Surely, or maybe one of those versions would work for you. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.